Hello everyone, in this session I will going to introduce the NVIDIA Omniverse Enterprise, which is a platform that accelerates 3D design workflows and providing a new solution for creating digital twins. In the next few minutes, I will introduce the applications, features, and case studies related to NVIDIA Omniverse Enterprise. By the end of this session, you will have better understanding how NVIDIA Omniverse can assist designers in accelerating their design workflow. Firstly, let me introduce my company Leadtek. Founded in 1986, Leadtek is headquartered in New Taipei City, Taiwan, and has expanded to include additional offices in Shanghai, China, and Tokyo, Japan. Leadtek has been a key distributor partner of NVIDIA in the Asia-Pacific region for over 30 years, specializing in selling NVIDIA professional graphic cards. We specialize in GPU-related solutions. In addition to our own brand of NVIDIA-certified GPU workstation and servers, we are proud to be the distributor partner for NVIDIA Omniverse. Furthermore, as a key partner in helping NVIDIA promote AI in Taiwan market, we have assembled a team of data scientists and AI engineers who work closely with NVIDIA DLI to offer training course for AI or GPU accelerating application. At Leadtek, we provide our customer with the most professional GPU technical support and consulting services for all GPU or AI related applications. During this session, I would like to introduce you NVIDIA Omniverse, a cutting-edge solution related to a public topic, the Metaverse. The concept of the Metaverse is a visually virtual world where people can interact in many ways, including socializing, entertainment, and even shopping. So what are some of the Metaverse applications related to our life? For example, online games or online concert, creating virtual characters of artists who were not alive. By using AR technology, they could be brought to life on stage as if they were still with us in the physical world. Indeed, the Metaverse will require a trading mechanism. The virtual currencies and NFTs are a mechanism that can be traded in the virtual world. Industries such as VR surgical teaching, virtual customer service, or digital twins are all applications of the Metaverse. For example, NVIDIA mentioned that BMW built a digital factory through Omniverse to carry out product line planning and personal training in a virtual environment. Sony Ericsson conducted research on 5G Wi-Fi network signal in the virtual world. The three important features to realize the Metaverse are virtualization, physicality, and realism. Let's watch a video below to understand that what NVIDIA Omniverse can do. From the previous video, you can get a glimpse of what NVIDIA Omniverse is capable of. Developed by NVIDIA, Omniverse is a platform that can integrate ISV software just like the software in the left of this page. This means that content designed by different designers can be worked synchronously and integrate into the Omniverse environment collaboratively. By installing the Omniverse connector, content designed in ISV software can be easily transferred to Omniverse. Omniverse used the USD file format, so the role of the connector is to convert model from different data format to USD format. So what are the benefits of exporting the content into Omniverse? Files on Omniverse can be edited and synced in real time, so designers using different computers in different locations can instantly see the content edited by each other, which allows the project to be carried out more efficiently. In addition, NVIDIA has integrated its PhysicX SDK for physics simulation into Omniverse, making it easy to add physical features such as gravity, blade effect, or particles such as smoke, fire, and liquid to your design. Another important core of NVIDIA RTS GPU is the RT cores, which can support real-time ray tracing computation to produce photorealistic quality 3D products. Omniverse also integrates some AI technologies inside their apps. But the most important core of NVIDIA Omniverse is collaboration. Now let's take a look at a video to see how Omniverse provides multi-user collaboration. Here's the demo that showcases Unreal Engine, System Painter, and Maya being used in team collaboration. On the left are the individual view of all three commercial applications driven by three different users. On the right is the composite view from all three applications within Omniverse demonstrating real-time interactive collaboration. So can imagine you got three designers from a firm or from different firms working on the project. Over on the right, you can have the project manager. You could have the supervisor, the customer, and they get to review all of this change in real time. They can adjust the placement of the refrigerator, move the shelves around, adjust the color of wall, the look of the brick. This interactive collaboration simply was not available before, and Omniverse makes it all possible. We mentioned the data format we use in Omniverse is USD. USD is a format developed by Pixar. USD introduced a novel concept of layering that make it possible to put multiple types of information into only a single file, and making it convenient for data exchange between ISV software. This data format is suitable to be used on the platform like Omniverse, which supports collaborative work among multiple designers in the same scenes. It also makes it convenient for making detailed modifications, as even small objects in a scene can be represented as a USD. The image in the left may contain several information such as lighting, elevation, location, and even building information modeling data or IoT data, which can all be stored in USD. Even non-3D data can be integrated into a scene. As you see, on these scenes, objects such as building, trees, street lights, streets, all the props, and even the sky are all constructed by USD. The benefit of this modification of individual objects, for example, changing color, material, or deleting object, will not affect the operation of the entire scenes. Also, integrating all objects into a single large scene into Omniverse, you can get highly realistic rendering effect. As mentioned earlier, a project file in Omniverse is an USD, but individual objects within it can also be USDs. These objects may come from different ISP software, building from Revit or Rhino, 3ds from 3ds Max, and object from SketchUp. It's also possible to import objects from other software using common formats such as FBX. Each object is built as a layer object into Omniverse. Based on the unique features of each software, NVIDIA has been working to develop connectors for numerous ISV software applications, allowing users of ISV software to transfer their design into the world of Omniverse. The ISV software with bidirectional connector means editing can be done synchronously between Omniverse app and ISV software in real time. With unique directional connector, the editing result can be displayed synchronously only from ISV software to Omniverse app. Some software which originally support USD format exporting can be saved the files into database of Omniverse through Omniverse Drive. However, some software may require software vendors to develop extension tool for Omniverse, which can be done through the Keep app. Omniverse also supports importing design data from various software formats into the Omniverse environment. After a brief introduction to the application of Omniverse and the software that supports it, what other supported features does Omniverse have? As we mentioned before, two important elements in achieving the metaverse are realism and physics. How can we add and modify objects in the scenes on Omniverse? How can we use simple mouse clicks to add physical property to objects so that they can be simulated in the virtual world? How can we view the effect of material rendering? First is physics simulation. The Omniverse platform enables scalable, physically accurate world simulation, powered in part by NVIDIA's core physics simulation technology PhysX, Flow, and Blast. This core technology, PhysX, is also provided to many ISV software, allowing them to add physics-related features to their software and accelerate them with GPUs. With simple mouse clicks, objects can be quickly added with various physical effects, such as rigid body, soft body, car dynamic, object destruction, fluid flow, smoke, or fire simulations, all of which can be easily accomplished in the Omniverse environment. The result of the simulation are also accompanied by photorealistic material rendering effects. Next, let's watch a video to understand what physics features are supported in Omniverse. The Omniverse RTS Renderer is an advanced real-time rendering solution based on NVIDIA RTS technology. It offers scalability and exceptional photorealism in rendering. This powerful renderer fully leverages the RT cores found in NVIDIA RTS GPUs, allowing for real-time ray tracing and path tracing. It's a renderer built to simulate the world as faithfully as possible, while providing scalability that allows users to increase quality with more GPU compute capability, whether on one GPU or many of them, and to improve the rendering performance of scenes. Like the rest of Omniverse, it's built on the USD and NVIDIA open standard for scenes and material representation. This is a warehouse example scenes provided by NVIDIA. Every box, rack, and pallet within the scenes has been set out as individual objects, allowing for accurate simulation of their physical characteristics. As the video begins playing, a hidden force is applied to one of the racks, causing a cascading effect where the rack toppled down like a chain reaction of falling dominoes. The video is recorded in real-time simulation. As you see, there is almost no delay in the large amount of computational process shown on the NVIDIA professional graphic cards in the video. And these physics calculations are accompanied by real-time rendering effect. I have already set up all cameras which can present various shooting angles and generate camera movements. This tool is a game changer in video production, as it has the capability to greatly streamline the production process. NVIDIA Omniverse offers a variety of applications to assist users in product development, with Create and View being the most prominent one. Create, similar to the warehouse scenes seen earlier, allows artists, designers, and engineers to easily create their 3D design. By connecting to various ISV software through connectors, users can quickly complete their design work in Create by simply clicking and creating scenes with physical effect, as well as utilizing a variety of internal extension tools. View is similar to Create and is suitable for project manager or client to review works. In addition to simple editing, Omniverse also supports viewing of work using VR headset with the Cloud XR technology. In addition to the mentioned tool, there are other applications available in the film and television industry, including machinima and audio-to-face. Audio-to-face, as its name suggests, combine AI-based technologies to generate facial motion and lip sync animations based on an audio source. This can be achieved by using an audio file or just speak to a microphone. This animation can then be seamlessly integrated with facial expression settings, further enhance the overall visual experience. Machinima offers a remarkable feature that enables real-time AI-based pose estimation. Unlike traditional methods that rely on motion capture sensors, Machinima allows users to utilize a simple web camera for precise pose tracking directly mapping onto virtual characters. These two apps can help creators create virtual characters more quickly. Other apps like Calling, which provide researchers easily working on 3D deep learning dataset. SSSync, which accelerate the introduction of robots in digital twin applications. DriveSync, which provides a simulated self-driving car driving environment for the autonomous vehicle industry. In addition to these apps, many other useful apps is keep developing by NVIDIA to accelerate the workflow of designers. Next, I would like to share a use case of Taiwan in the advertising industry.
各位朋友，大家好。我们这一次主要是要来跟大家介绍一下我们这一次专案是如何使后期可以来前期化。我们这次专案主要是使用 Omniverse 跟 GPU 来加速我们这一次专案整体团队的沟通，那使得主创人员在一开始的时候就能够立刻上线，大家一起来远端协作。那我们这次透过 Omniverse 这样子一个远端且可跨软体来协作的一个平台，让我们专案原本确定的这些繁琐的时间，跟传统相比，其实缩短了将近有40%以上。那我们透过 Omniverse 在前期的过程，我们就可以先请美术提前与我们来确定好虚拟场景与现场的这些相关陈设。那这样除了大幅度缩短沟通的成本以外，我们也减少了很多不确定的成本。那因为 Omniverse 跟 GPU 其实它们的相辅相成，加速了即时渲染这一个功能。那所以让我们的讨论其实也更精确，也更符合我们成品的样子。像我们在前期场景制作跟导演讨论确认的时候，也因为我们利用 Omniverse 来让大家线上能够协作来确认，那其实这样子也降低了我们蛮大的一个移动的成本，因为其实大家不一定都居住在同一个地区嘛。那如果说真的我们要开会讨论来确认，其实以传统的方式，其实这些移动的时间啊，跟这些车票钱啊、车马费啊，其实都是一个蛮大的消耗。我们在拍摄前，无论是灯光还是镜头的这些镜位啊，然后尺寸啊，或者是灯光的方向啊、大小还是种类，其实我们都已经在前期的时候都预先确认好了。那其实也有效的缩短了现场的这些沟通时间，跟后期修正的这些时间。那其实我们在一开始执行的时候，美术其实就已经有在 Omniverse 透过 Omniverse 在线上就给出了很多方案跟建议。那这其实在让我们调整场景跟设计的速度，其实也加速非常多。那我们这次专案现场的即时合成跟导出，其实是要选用较高算力跟较稳定的显卡来做搭配使用。那像我们这次现场算图的部分，以这次的专案来说，其实是非常顺畅的。那因为我们在前期就已经预先把这些美术设定啊、镜头镜位还有灯光设定都以虚拟场景的方式来确认完成了，所以我们在虚拟场景的部分，透过 GPU 的算力，就现场直接渲染、合成剪出 B copy 的版本。那我们拍摄完现场，马上就让客户确认之后，我们就直接交档案到后期进行最后的处理。这是专案我们的这个方式。其实要感谢各主创人员，其实都愿意尝试新的技术，然后也感谢立台科技提供的 Omniverse 这个平台跟 GPU 显卡，让我们这次的专案能够顺利且精彩的完成。
This campaign features a Taiwanese fashion brand that collaborated with a Korean actress for their shooting. In the past, communication with foreign celebrities incurred high costs. Despite the challenges, the entire process of proposing to the Korean agency, conducting the advertisement shoot, and organizing the press conference had to be complete within the Taiwan month's timeframe. Considering the demand of the advertisement release, the Omniverse played a crucial role in accomplishing this challenging task. By conducting pre-production communication on the virtual platform, the transportation cost and other expenses were significantly reduced. Through discussions on the virtual platform, which replaced the previous method of using 2D drawings, not only were details confirmed more accurately, but also effectively shortened on-site communication time and post-production revision time. The virtual environment created by Omniverse faithfully replicates the camera angle, lighting, and other related settings, and feed them back to the on-site settings, speeding up the shooting process. During the post-production phase, the project benefited from the exceptional power of NVIDIA RTX GPUs for rendering, ensuring a seamless and efficient completion. Now, let's discuss the hardware and configuration used in Omniverse. Depending on the scale of their projects, different teams may utilize varying hardware configurations to meet their specific requirements. For small teams with about 2 to 3 designers, they will configure their environment with physical device connection. All computers need to be installed with the RTX GPU and Omniverse Launcher, which is the software used by the terminal that contains the previously mentioned Omniverse app. One of the computers is set as the location of the nuclear server, and all the data from the designers will be stored in the nuclear server through the internal network. In other words, all designers will connect to this system for collaboration. On the other hand, large teams may not provide a device with RTX GPU for every designer. Instead, they may use a GPU workstation or server that can accommodate 4 to 8 GPUs through VMware architecture. By using pass-through technology or NVIDIA vGPU technology, Numerous VMs with GPUs are added and Omniverse Launcher is installed on them. One of the VMs serves as the nucleus server. Terminal devices such as notebooks, computers, or their clients without GPUs can connect to the VMs for work. In addition to centralized hardware management, this setup further ensures the security of the company's design assets by leveraging VM's encryption technology. Of course, if a designer uses a computer system with RTS GPU, they can directly connect to the nucleus server for collaborative work. Apart from the method mentioned above, other devices can also be used for logging. Create or View can provide users with the ability to connect via VR headsets, tablets, cell phone apps, or web browsers. In this scenario, clients' devices are not required to have GPUs. Instead, they can connect remotely to the Create scenes for their work, allowing them to access and collaborate on projects without the need for dedicated GPU resource on their individual devices. Therefore, a local system needs to have an RTS GPU installed, open Create and project files, and activate the remote extension tools for providing connection to allow these devices to connect. In order for designer to use Omniverse, the computer system with Omniverse Launcher installed need to have RTS GPUs. The hardware you choose can include not only GPU laptop or PC but also GPU workstation or servers. It's recommended to choose NVIDIA certified GPU system for optimal performance. The latest generation of professional graphic cards is based on the Ada Lovelace architecture. The first release was ultra high-end GPU, NVIDIA RTX 6000 Ada generation. The new generation of chips use 4nm technology and include more CUDA cores, next-generation Tensor cores, and RT cores, which can accelerate rendering and AI calculation performance on Omniverse. Video encoding and decoding acceleration can also speed up video production efficiency in the film and television industry. The latest RTX 6000 Ada generation is the most advanced workstation-type GPU for professional workflows. In addition to having nearly twice as many CUDA cores as previous Ampere generation, the ray tracing SDK for this generation has also been upgraded. As a result, the graphic performance has improved by 80% compared to the previous generation, and image rendering has even seen a 1.6 times performance improvement. Omniverse can take advantage of DLSS3 to significantly improve performance. The on the right shows 3 to 4 times performance improvements working with 1080p and 4K resolutions. The chart on the left shows the significance of DLSS3. 30 frames per second is considered real time for designers, creators, engineers, and professionals working with 3D models and designs. Anything less than 30 FPS is difficult to work with, and interacting with the model is slow and clunky. In the chart, working with 4K resolution using the RTX 6000 results in less than 30 FPS, and the 1080p tests are barely over 30 FPS. The RTX 6000 Ada generation GPU with DLSS3 provides over 30 FPS for all models, includes 1080p and 4K. This performance difference is significant. The RTX 6000 Ada generation delivers a 30 FPS experience across the board, delivering a usable solution regardless of resolution. Now let's take a look at the actual screen inside the Omniverse together. On the desktop, you will find the icon for Omniverse and Unreal Engine, as well as a file named README. The README file contains the connection IP for this VM, the account and password for the nucleus server, and instructions for logging into Omniverse. Although both Omniverse and Unreal Engine are installed, please use your own account to log in. The file provides a link where you can apply for the free account. Now, let's proceed with logging into Omniverse. Enter your password. After logging in, you will find the pre-installed app in the library. there are other apps you would like to use but haven't been installed, you can install them yourself from the exchange. In addition, we can also install the Unreal Engine connector for you. After opening Unreal Engine, you will be able to see it. Now let's take a look at Unreal Engine. Open a project. Once in the scene, you will notice an Omniverse icon in the top left toolbar. Clicking on it allows you to connect to the Nucleus server. Enter the IP address. We have set up a Nucleus server for each VM, but if you want to use collaboration features, it's recommended to connect both VM to the same Nucleus server. Therefore, choose one VM's IP as the Nucleus server IP for collaboration. After establishing the connection, we can export the current scene to the Omniverse Nucleus server. Click on the Export button. Here, you can adjust settings if needed. Then, click OK to proceed. Navigate to the Omniverse project folder and save the file there. Once confirmed, the scene will be converted to USD format and stored in the designated path on the Nucleus server. Next, let's go back to the Omniverse page and open Create. Open the scenes that was previously imported. While waiting, let's return to the Unreal Engine page. Choose the file that was also imported to the Nucleus server. Click the Live Session button in the toolbar. This will require creating a new connection session. Once created, move back to the Create window and click on Live in the top right corner to join the previously open session. Now you can observe the bidirectional synchronization between Unreal Engine and Create. Any modification made in Unreal Engine will be instantly synchronized in Create as well. Now let's take a look at the previous warehouse scene. I have also played this scene in the Nucleus server. It was created by NVIDIA, and you can experience realistic and real-time physics simulation. Navigate to the Word folder within the ME demo pack in the project section of the Nucleus server. Open the Word demo pack.usd file. Since the parameter has been pre-configured, simply click on Play to initial real-time animation calculation within the scene. You will be able to observe real-time physics simulation in a scene with ray tracing rendering. Additionally, you can move objects in the scenes using the mouse. If you are interested in learning about Omniverse and discovering the feature of its apps, there are numerous detailed tutorial videos available on NVIDIA Omniverse official YouTube channel. This video serves as excellent resources for obtaining information and getting acquainted with the capability of Omniverse and its various apps. Thank you, and we hope to meet you in NVIDIA Omniverse.